Alright guys, welcome back to another vlog. I got some stuff planned for you guys today. I know you guys been asking where are the vlogs, why they've been so slow, but a lot has been going on, not to mention the cold. So today we're gonna be working in it because there's some stuff I need to do to this freaking car that I haven't done yet. I know you guys see the wheels. I just got these wheels. I unfortunately didn't vlog the whole process of me getting them, etc. But for today, guys, we're gonna be messing around with the car a little bit. Honestly, I don't know if I want to go crazy camber with it, or I don't know if I want to keep it stock with these wheels and just make it look clean and simple. So I'm stuck in between going crazy camber or just going for a nice stock look. Right down below, guys, and let me know what you guys think. Do you want me to do crazy camber front and back, or just keep it simple just like it is right now and cruising it just like this? Like, the wheels do look good. They're 18 by 7.5. I love how they look on the car. That's how the car is sitting right now, guys. So let me know what you guys think. But without further ado, I'm about to get this vlog started. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be doing today. But before we even start that, let's give you guys a cold start on this, because I know it's been a while. Alright, so while the car is warming up, I'm just gonna get some of the stuff ready and like taking off the bumper, all of that extra shit. And if you guys are a part of the stance life, you guys will understand my struggle, because I literally have nothing but zip ties holding up my car bumper right now. The first thing we're gonna get started with is the strut. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna tighten the top strut mounts. Whatever, I don't even care. There. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take out the subs, the skateboard, and any other little things that I got in here. So let's get that started. Alright guys, so quick update. I just changed the bottom bolt and nut for the suspension, and now I'm about to get a vice grip. I'm gonna hold this so that it's not spinning for the top, and tighten it right there. But first I got to put the bushing on underneath this, so that's what we're gonna aim for right now. Let's jump into that. Alright guys, so I ran into a bit of a problem. Let me show you guys. That on, I'm having trouble trying to get it off, so I just sprayed WD-40 on it, and hopefully that does the job. And under here I got a vice grip holding it so that it's not moving entirely. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna let that soak in for now, but for right now I'm gonna throw in this horn in the car, because I don't know if you guys knew I had one in here, but it's not working. So let's get this bumper off. So I had an air horn right here, but this one don't work anymore. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take the old assembly out and put in a new one. So I'm gonna put in a new one right now and listen how it sounds. The bottom fixed, but this still won't come off. So I'm probably gonna, I don't even know what I'm about to do. If you guys got suggestions, let me know. Right now I'm gonna finish up with this horn. I got it assembled. I just gotta figure out a way how to, somewhere where to put it so that it's not like hanging down from the ground or something. So right now I'm just gonna figure out a spot where to throw the horn on, and then I'm gonna test it out and let you guys hear it. Alright guys, so far I got the horn wired and ready to go.
it with zip ties for now. Eventually I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna fix that. And I tucked the horn somewhere under here. There we go. And this is what it sounds like. It sounds like some GTA shit. But I'm about to throw the bumper back on and we should be Gucci. Alright guys, so it's cold as hell. So this is where I'm gonna stop like working on this shit now. I got the Hornet in the cut somewhere around there. And I got the suspension bottom half good. But I'm gonna get back to the top half. So both of those stuff are in and the car should be okay for right now. Hopefully nothing else breaks because, man, this should break like every other day. So I'm just about to clean everything up in the driveway, give the car a little wipe down, and give you guys some cinematics real quick. Alright guys, so I cleaned the car up a little bit. Lawrence cleaned his car up a little bit. He's gonna be driving. You're gonna be driving, right? And Cardo's gonna be taking the video. Let's get it. Hopefully you guys enjoy the rest of the vlog. Let's get it. Justice just pulled up on me in his fucking sexy ass Accord. He just took the wheels off because it's winter time, and as I tell you, in New England it's cold as so we don't play that. He gave me the keys. About to jump in there and see what it do real quick.
Yo, who should look better than my shit?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Cause he copied me. That's what. So for me, my shit.
Rather the blue, or you guys rather the gray? Blue or gray? Which one you think look better, yours or his?
Oh, man.
But they both look beefy as fuck, man. Keep your foot on it. This shit sound cheese. This shit sound good spice, man. No funny. This 3.5 move. Shit stop. This shit right here. Yo, I'm not even gonna front. The 6-speed. A 6-speed. The 6. Hold on. The 6-speed. Oh, hold on. The boys are right there. I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I miss my Acura. I need my coupe back, man. Alright, you guys made it to the end of the video. If you like today's video, give it a fat thumbs up for me. And if you guys didn't subscribe yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for more content. In that case, I'll see you guys in the next one.